Hey traders, and welcome to analysis session. In today's video I'm going to show you the high probability opportunities that present themselves on different markets. All these opportunities, all these patterns were found by the MPS5 pattern recognition software. If you guys are new to MPS5 pattern recognition software, it is a unique swing identification software that exploits 10 automatic algorithms like this, yes, and one manual algorithm. For example, if you wish to draw a pattern on empty space, you can do it this way. Okay, then let's go back. It also draws the patterns based on these swing calculations, and there are two groups of predefined patterns. Advanced patterns, we have Gottlieb, Bat, Cipher, Butterfly. Within this group I also placed Pesavento and Pesavento 2 patterns. They are not actually advanced patterns, but they are commonly traded with limit orders. That's why they belong to this group. And the custom pattern. The custom pattern, of course, is not advanced pattern. It is something that you actually code yourself. You can set the ratio for the B point, for the C point, and it will be drawn according to your own ratios. So this is the most creative section here. And of course we have a group of harmonic patterns. Switch them on and off, whatever you wish to be displayed, and you will have them according to your preferences. So very nice graphic user interface that allows you to quickly switch between the algorithms and the patterns and even the groups of patterns. Well, the link is in description, www.ps-software.net, if you wish to learn more about this pattern recognition software. Okay, so the first opportunity is this custom pattern. Basically it is a unified Gottlieb. What is a custom pattern? What is a unified Gottlieb? It is a combination of a Gottlieb and a bat. So here, if we switch to harmonic pattern setups like this, and we go enable bat, let's disable crabs. So it looks like bat with harmonic setups, but I am not using any bats and Gottliebs. I united them together. That's why all those bats, all those Gottliebs are unified Gottliebs for me. Okay, very close to completion. Euro-yen, keep this in mind. The next pair is this dollar-yen, a unified Gottlieb as well. If price goes to 113.47.5, then we'll have a high probability of price to give us some reaction. The next pair, the next setup is DAX 30. Okay, so we have two situations. If price goes higher and completes this unified Gottlieb, then we have this kind of higher probability of this scenario over this, yes. And if price goes lower to here, then we have a high probability of price to retest that previous resistance over this. So something has a high probability of happening over another scenario. Okay, Nikkei. On Nikkei we have a potential bat pattern, and a bit lower we have a potential cipher pattern. So you should trade something that you have backtested, something that you have in your trade plan, of course. On Bitcoin we have a completed butterfly pattern. It means this. So we have a high probability scenario to have this kind of reaction to this level. What is this level? Let's have some calculation. Basically I would like to look at this level, and it is 6K and 500. So the test of this support level, 6K and 500. So remember about this level, and of course the high probability of moving to the upside over this moving to the downside. What are the probabilities? 60% for this scenario, 40% for this scenario. Yes, this is not a guarantee, of course. That's why I should put a disclaimer, because we have 40% of losers and 60% of winners. 60% is a higher probability than 40%, but we have losers. That's why you should risk very small account of very small amount of your money, of your account, in order not to risk all. Otherwise, you simply, one loser that happens will wipe everything out. So not to lose your account, risk very small amounts. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin probabilities, Bitcoin setups. On Ethereum, we also have a completed unified Gately, and what I like about this unified Gately is a combination of different patterns. One of them, of these different patterns, is this triangle pattern, and you see it reacted from this trend line, and after that it is broken the trend line. It gives you a kind of good view of where the target may be hit. So you see this and the trend line is actually what we have before going to the downside. So trade it smart, don't aim at this level. So the unified Gately, although it provides sometimes these big targets, yes, so don't actually overestimate the pattern. Be realistic. So the main the optimal target level, of course, is the test of this trend line. XBNUSD, we have this situation. Unified Gately was already invalidated, so what we have is this butterfly pattern, and again, as always with these patterns, we are looking at least at some minor reaction to here over reaction to here. Okay, on the XRPUSD, yes, similar situation, at least it looks similar. So this butterfly pattern and the reaction already started. What I would be looking at is this test of this resistance. So you see it was tested in future, and after being broken, we often go to test broken resistance, and this would be enough to hit targets. Again, we have 60% probability to move here, 40% probability to move here. Yes, it's not a guarantee that it will go to the upside, but we have a higher probability. Okay, then go to the XY, and we have this butterfly pattern already completed. What I would be looking here is the test of the D point. This one, and this one. It looks like a powerful level. We just broke that level with this powerful candle to the downside. What I would do, I would stop the recalculation and go to 30 minutes here. So we see the same pattern, and what I see, basically we already had some reaction to the upside, and although we didn't touch that level, we already hit some reaction. Okay, well, maybe this pattern already hit the targets. Go into 1 hour, switch them on, and it starts calculating again. Well, these are the patterns that I wanted to share. Hope you like this video. If you guys are new to these patterns, hit the link in the description, www.ps-software.net, learn the patterns, and you will get an absolutely free trading course on identification, trade execution, and trade management for these patterns. If you guys wish to follow me on TradingView, again, hit the link in the description. There's the link to my profile, and click that follow button. On TradingView, I post many of these charts as well. Okay, and as usual, if you wish to learn more about the MPS5 pattern recognition software, you are welcome to hit the link in the description as well. Well, that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Until then, good luck and good trading. See you soon.